Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to reset your Gmail password on iPhone in 2025. With increasing cyber threats, keeping your accounts secure is more important than ever. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it, this step-by-step guide will get you back in action quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on the latest iOS version for 2025. It ensures all the newest security features are in play. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. It's that gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Passwords or Mail, depending on your iOS setup, then select Accounts or directly search for Google if Gmail is linked. Once you're in your Google account settings, look for the Security or Password section. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Password, and you'll likely see an option for Change Password or Forgot Password. If you're locked out, select Forgot Password. Don't worry, Google has your back with recovery options. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This could involve entering a recovery email, phone number, or answering security questions. Make sure these are up to date in your Google account settings beforehand to avoid any hiccups. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code via text or email. Enter that code promptly, and then you'll be able to create a new, strong password. Pro tip: use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Aim for at least 12 characters. After you've set your new password, hit Save or Confirm, and you're all set. Double-check by opening the Gmail app or website to log in with your fresh credentials. If you run into any issues, Google's Help Center is a great resource. There you have it. Resetting your Gmail password on your iPhone in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next one.